no freezer ice cream, guys. It's just actually helps the ice to lower its temperature from 0 degrees to -21. Starts to thicken. And see. So I hope okay na siya, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toni, and for today's video, I will be showing you how to make some mochi ice cream. It's a Japanese dessert, guys, which is made up of your glutinous rice flour, or we call it here ginaling na pilit, and then it's filled with ice cream. Now guys, we're going to make our ice cream first, okay? So I have here my little assistant.
I'm tracing, I'm coloring now.
Yeah, but are you gonna help me?
Yeah.
So today guys, I will just show you the easiest way on how to do it. And they actually call this, guys, the no freezer or the 5-minute ice cream. They call it the no freezer, pero actually guys, iput ni nato siya sa freezer after. I will just explain it to you how later, but first we will mix all our ingredients up. And again guys, all the measurements of the ingredients, I will just put it in the description box below, so i-check na lang. The first thing we're gonna do, guys, is we need to puree our mangoes. Okay, the flavor of this ice cream day, guys, is Mango Yakult Ice Cream. Though the kids actually don't drink Yakult, but if it's made into ice cream, we'll see. Okay, so we'll need a blender, guys. So can you put it everything inside?
Yes.
Everything. So we'll just puree this one, guys.
6, 7.
So when it's pureed, guys, we will add in our all-purpose cream and then our condensed milk. So di lang siguro na to i-put everything, guys, about 3/4. So, and then our Yakult. So just blend everything up. So that's it. Secret to your no freezer ice cream, guys, is just your salt, your ice, your Ziploc bags, and a towel. So mo lang na siya, guys. They actually have the same principle as your ice cream makers, but karon maglisod-lisod lang sa jud no. We will just use this one, guys, because in ice cream makers, guys, you have to churn it for like 30 minutes to make it into ice cream. But this one, guys, it would just take around 5 minutes, or actually other videos it's more than 5 minutes, so it's around 5 to 15 minutes, guys. So we will just shake this up. Okay, so in your small Ziploc bags, guys, we will add in the ice cream. So I think dili siya may gutanan, so dili na lang siguro everything at ibutang. So we'll just pour. So we'll just lock it, guys, and as much as possible dapat walay air inside, okay? And then here in the bigger Ziploc bag, guys, we will put in our ice. A little messy, but it's okay. So everything. Then we will add in our salt. Guys, nagbisig ko close, no, but we will just wrap it in our towel. So it's just so amazing, guys, na the salt actually helps the ice to lower its temperature from 0 degrees to -21. So we'll just shake this one for around 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
So guys, it actually took a while on freezing the ice cream. So we also ran some errands. So medyo epic fail jud siya, and ako na lang siyang gibutang sa freezer to freeze it up. And so here it is. So we'll try to scoop this one out, and let's see. So medyo ni freeze na siya, guys. To scoop this one out, okay? So after scooping it up, ako guys, nag-ready na date ko. This is a cling wrap. So we'll just get one, and then wait. So here one. We'll put it in the center, and then we'll wrap it for later. Okay? Para just to hold its shape. So dapat something in ani siya, guys. And then if you have a cupcake tin or something, so so this is the last one, guys, and we'll just let this one freeze, and we'll make our mochi. So the easiest way to make mochi, guys, is to use the microwave. But unfortunately, guys, guba ang microwave, and I found also another video. Usually, if there's no microwave, you can do it in steam. But kailangan magud siya, guys. You still need to wrap it with a towel. So I found one video that they are using the pan, so we'll try to do it today. So guys, we'll just put in our glutinous rice flour, and then just put everything there, and then our sugar. So there, and then we'll just mix it a bit para ma-incorporate lang siya. And then we will add in our water. Okay, our water. So kani siya, guys, we will mix this one in low heat lang. Okay, low heat. So we'll just mix until it has a sticky consistency na, guys, and looks like a translucent dough. So we're looking for that one.
Eventually.
So this one, guys, it's okay now, and we're just gonna transfer it to roll it out. So now, guys, while it's hot, we need to roll this one out. Kaya mas dali daw siya i-roll if init-init pa siya. So here in our mat, we will dust it with cornstarch, guys, since it's really very sticky. So we will dust everything with cornstarch. We'll just put our dough or sticky rice here, and then dust it. You can also do it with your hands, guys, but you can also use your rolling pin if you have. So there, we're just gonna flatten it out, guys. Let's cut this one into squares for our, we'll wrap our ice cream here. So, and then you need the guys to ready the some parchment paper, because basi magdikit man siya, guys. So one down, and then we're just gonna transfer this one. So this one. Guys, we will load this one in the chiller for a while para ma-cool down lang siya and reset.
12 seconds later.
Guys, we're gonna try to assemble our mochi and our ice cream. Just gonna get this one, and then our ice cream, and then you'll just pinch in the center. There, guys. And then when you have this, nag-ready na po day ko, guys, o cling wrap. So where's that? This one. And then we'll place again, same as what we did with the kalaski wrap. So like that one, para mo-hold siya sa shape, and balik pa dyan nato ni siya actually sa freezer, guys. So everything is all wrapped up, and we're just gonna freeze this one for siguro about an hour, and we'll taste it later.
1 hour later.
It's been an hour, so we'll try our mochis out. Mochi ice cream. It's actually now frozen, so we'll try one out. So this one maybe we'll just unwrap it and our mochi ice cream. So here, and we'll just get a knife and see. So I hope okay na siya, guys. Wow, perfect. Okay, so we'll try. Very yummy, guys. Maski na epic fail ang ice cream earlier, no? It's still very yummy and it's very creamy. I hope their version also, guys. So you need to try, guys. Thank you for watching till the very end of this video, and I hope you will continue to support me. And again, see you on my next video.